She is running in the park.
She is running in the park.
He is eating an apple.
He is eating an apple.
I am drinking milk.
I am drinking milk.
The baby is sleeping now.
The baby is sleeping now.
She is reading a book.
She is reading a book.
He is writing a letter.
He is writing a letter.
They are walking to school.
They are walking to school.
We are talking to the teacher.
We are talking to the teacher.
She is singing a song.
She is singing a song.
He is dancing at the party.
He is dancing at the party.
The kids are playing football.
The kids are playing football.
The cat is jumping on the bed.
The cat is jumping on the bed.
They are swimming in the pool.
They are swimming in the pool.
We are laughing at the joke.
We are laughing at the joke.
The baby is crying loudly.
The baby is crying loudly.
She is opening the door.
She is opening the door.
He is closing the window.
He is closing the window.
Mom is cooking dinner.
Mom is cooking dinner.
She is cleaning her room.
She is cleaning her room.
He is washing his hands.
He is washing his hands.
Dad is driving the car.
Dad is driving the car.
She is riding her bicycle.
She is riding her bicycle.
He is drawing a picture.
He is drawing a picture.
She is painting the wall.
She is painting the wall.
They are buying some fruit.
They are buying some fruit.
She is selling flowers.
She is selling flowers.
I am helping my sister.
I am helping my sister.
They are watching a movie.
They are watching a movie.
She is listening to music.
She is listening to music.
He is speaking English.
He is speaking English.
I am asking a question.
I'm asking a question.
She is answering the phone.
She is answering the phone.
He is standing near the door.
He is standing near the door.
We are sitting on the chairs.
We are sitting on the chairs.
She is thinking about her homework.
She is thinking about her homework.
I am knowing the answer.
I'm knowing the answer.
She is loving her cat.
She is loving her cat.
He is liking the food.
He is liking the food.
She is hating the noise.
She is hating the noise.
I am needing a pencil.
I am needing a pencil.
She is wanting a toy.
She is wanting a toy.
They are having lunch now.
They are having lunch now.
I am seeing a bird.
I am seeing a bird.
He is looking at the sky.
He is looking at the sky.
She is finding her book.
She is finding her book.
He is giving me a gift.
He is giving me a gift.
I am taking a photo.
I am taking a photo.
She is bringing the food.
She is bringing the food.
He is catching the ball.
He is catching the ball.
I am throwing the ball.
I am throwing the ball.
They are building a house.
They are building a house.
He is breaking the glass.
He is breaking the glass.
Dad is fixing the chair.
Dad is fixing the chair.
She is teaching math.
She is teaching math.
I am learning English.
I'm learning English.
We are winning the game.
We are winning the game.
They are losing the match.
They are losing the match.
He is calling his mom.
He is calling his mom.
We are living in a big city.
We are living in a big city.
She is traveling to Paris.
She is traveling to Paris.
I am staying at home.
I'm staying at home.
Flowers are growing in the garden.
Flowers are growing in the garden.
He is shouting at the dog.
He is shouting at the dog.
She is whispering to her friend.
She is whispering to her friend.
They are smiling at the baby.
They are smiling at the baby.
I am waiting for the bus.
I'm waiting for the bus.
He is hurrying to school.
He is hurrying to school.
I am carrying a heavy bag.
I am carrying a heavy bag.
She is holding her baby.
She is holding her baby.
He is pulling the rope.
He is pulling the rope.
I am pushing the door.
I am pushing the door.
They are climbing the hill.
They are climbing the hill.
He is falling off the bike.
He is falling off the bike.
Birds are flying in the sky.
Birds are flying in the sky.
She is checking her bag.
She is checking her bag.
I am counting the stars.
I am counting the stars.
He is cutting the paper.
He is cutting the paper.
I am packing my clothes.
I'm packing my clothes.
She is unpacking her suitcase.
She is unpacking her suitcase.
He is kicking the ball.
He is kicking the ball.
She is hitting the drum.
She is hitting the drum.
The dog is biting the toy.
The dog is biting the toy.
I am brushing my teeth.
I'm brushing my teeth.
She is combing her hair.
She is combing her hair.